know Gangsters in a parade as usual. Cooking with Gangsters is episode 2. Episode 2nd. Yes, my fans, me telling me say Monday and Thursday, so I try my best. So when rain fall, outside with the video off make, right? They have one clean up them aqua so them can boil. Fast them on the saltfish in the one pot. Clean the aqua them from scratch down. So we are clean out the aki lemon thing. Don't let the black part of the head in the aki or the belly, which have a pink thingy. Don't know what it's called, but clean out the inside. People ring off the head, some people hard to ring off sometimes, I understand. Yeah. We are get the aki them clean because set on the water to boil. Yeah, boil up the saltfish and the aki in one pot though. Some of the aki them soggy, I really like the soggy vibes. So what soggy we're not using, innit? So yeah man, just stay tuned, you see me? Cause go outside though. You see how we roots are gone back. Water warm, you shouldn't have to wait till it hot. Aki in a pot. Go wash me and wash a piece of salty fish. We drop in that same way. So you know. Aight man. I feel clean water in a COVID time down. Right on the outside kitchen, bro. Outside the people. Not all about the pretty kitchen sometimes. You can't roast breadfruit in a kitchen. So, yeah. Saltfish rinsing. Rest in the same pot with that down. Easy to find. Yeah. So I eat that. And go and boil so till the time is right, right? But as I say, we're outside cooking with Gangsters. Check my YouTube, like, subscribe, share. We're still outside because the partner done it. Down. Take out this, right? Real Jamaican style. Put an X at the bottom for it soak easy, right? We're gonna put this for jail. So, circle now back down. Yeah, aquí look at extra mushy. As you said, ready people, then they are mash up. So you know, say, clean up, sit down. Yes, my peeps. Washing and sanitizing is key right now in the world, right? So, rise out them saltfish first. Because them not have to boil fully, you know. Never mind the sweat with the higher sweat, you see? Kitchen within and it at the ras. But the people, as Mula said, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a blood clot friend. But tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend for the Christians and the big people who watch me thing. Because, you know, No violation. Check in back in a minute or two now. Oh. Seeing as them boil out so soft, I capture what I can with the spoon, you understand? I want me to capture up on the own, brother. Yeah. It's not this hard still, you know? But maybe because it's outside, it's rough. I'm not really used to rough again, you know? Time civilized. Still kinda like you look outside vibe, no? Yeah man, a river top with them and river top bar same way. Milford. That Milford Watchers. Yeah. Same place with the same place. Just a different ends. Full of ends, daddy, full of ends. So we'll go and capture them back here. And we say the ackee come from Africa. The fruit itself come from Africa. And the fish come from Europe, which is saltfish. And when you put them together, it's definitely Jamaican. So it's a national dish for Jamaica, though. We just sketchy mix and put in the breadfruit, though. The other people who know sufferation know about butter and breadfruit. When the breadfruit well roast and it hot, you melt the butter on it down and drink all one whole cup of sugar and water. And that was the dinner. Sometimes it was the lunch. Sometimes a riverside snack for me and my friend them down. Right now me a bun up. So me capture my can out of the ackee, right? I'm gonna clean up the saltfish meanwhile. Gonna sit on fruit down. Yeah. All the fruit down. Now I make it bundle, I make it roast. So I make it completely black. And we're gonna put the knife through the part that we mark the X on the bottom or the top or whatever that side is. Yeah, we're gonna shove the knife straight through to feel if it's soft or if it's ready, if it's moist, whatever it is. Because then we're supposed to get that feeling, the knife easy for going so the breadfruit ready. Until then, you don't know. And this with the pan. I'm gonna prep up some something. And that might be the best thing looking right now. That time rough. But I see you doing them down. I'm gonna prep up the look up tomato and onion. Because I easy fried down. Never stop washing down. So outside I do with gangsters down. You want to cook. Yeah, see true, I'm going to use the black pepper now. I'm not really pressure the Scotch bonnet pepper vibe. Wash out the saltfish. Look, I have to get one of this. Wash it off and clean it up down. So yes people, we outside. You're outside with gangsters down. Man up on the block with I cook food, yeah? Once I say Monday and Thursday, I mean in the rain or shine, because rain was pouring out all damn day. But what is yours? Can nothing change that. I was meant to do this. So people, as I say, just go and share me thing them down. and support the little movements. We could have there do otherwise now. Yes, so this way I do pick up saltfish now. Yeah, so saltfish done pick up. Still I go soak it in a little water now. Nobody pre how small the amount of saltfish is, you know. We don't really cook for nobody this time, we just you know, do it for the video. So, let that go so right. Share the breadfruit. Hot! Yes, people. Still there. Yeah. So the fruit done roast. As you know. Yeah. Sit on this way. Fry up a little rare and it tastes. Yes, brother. Struggle is real. Outside cooking. Not normal. Go back to our roots now. One time we never have no indoor stove. All wood fire burn your eye. Blow that till it blaze now. But we outside same we are going to give God the glory. And I go and hold it down. Hold it for roast breadfruit and butter with them. Rest when we live on the river and we're hungry. Sufferation, everybody face it down. So right now we are showing how to do the dough. How to deal with the ackee and saltfish and roast breadfruit. Almost complete. So you know saying a long time chatting. No. Stay tuned. Yeah, we're not buying a buckle of oil. This where I come from. The days when you buy a big jar of oil in a bag. No. Watch it pre.
Yes, artist. I have not come back over that to our man. Yeah, we didn't know where it's there. Right, man.
I did the ackee and everything make it fry up together. No. Need to come to completion now. So we don't have no scotch bunny. So the black pepper we are used to it. Well, that's a go and fry. You know what the chop. See those steam and kick out the fruit. Where that? Yeah. Just like that. Ooh. Where that? So you clean breadfruit and well that in and make a youth. I'm going to chop what I go on, you know. Normally, you know, we do them something here. I have them out of banana leaf. Pass them something, you know. So, we outside with it. Finish, spread up this door. We'll see how it go. Something like fire you would. Wow. No, when you name on the food, I take us a cool, me a cool youth. But yes, man, I eat this way outside, though. Normally, when you have breadfruit and ackee and saltfish, pan banana leaf. Well, as me say, finished product. Ackee and saltfish and roast breadfruit. You see the whole start, you see the whole procedure. You see from jump to finish till me taste and nearly burn up and come. So you know the thing, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Send me on a message. Cooking with Gangsta Ras. Episode 2 outside. You know? No pretty enough man out. I do with you outside kitchen though. So make we get out there though. Gangsta Ras man.